All right, so we want to be able to multiply binomials together. Remember what this looks like is this means that I've got w plus 6 in parentheses, and I have w minus 5 in parentheses. For me to be able to multiply this together, that means I'm going to go w times w and w times negative 5, but I'm also going to go 6 times w and 6 times negative 5. So when I do that, I get w squared. W times negative 5 is negative 5w. 6 times w is 6w, and 6 plus negative 5 is negative 30. From here, I need to combine like terms. W squared's all by itself, but I see I have two w's, so I'm going to keep writing w squared. I go negative 5w plus 6w, which is w, and then I subtract 30, so I go minus 30. And that's all it wants is we want it, when it says simplified your answer, it just means combine like terms to look like so. So I'm going to go w squared plus w minus, oops, hit the wrong button, minus 30, which we can check. All right, so doing this again, we're going to see that this time we have y minus 7 times y plus 5. Again, when I'm doing this, I'm going to go w times w, or not w, y times y times 5, and then negative 7 times y, negative 7 times 5. So when I get that, I get y squared, negative 7 times, y times 5 is 5y. Now I'm going to do my negative 7, so I go negative 7 times y, which is negative 7y, negative 7 times 5, which is negative 35. So from here, I keep my y squared the same. I combine like terms, so negative 5 minus 7 is negative 2 with the y, and bring down the negative 35. So I have y squared minus 2y minus 35, which we can check. Okay, and doing this one last time, I have v plus 2 and v minus 3. So again, I go v times v times negative 3, 2 times v, 2 times negative 3. So I get v squared minus 3v plus 2v minus 6. From here, I get v squared minus, I need to combine negative 3v and 2v, so I'm left with negative v minus 6. So I can write that down here. And we can check it. Oops, because I wrote plus 6, and that should have been minus 6. Sorry, recheck that. Okay, and that's how you multiply binomials.